Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're going to learn how to make Chef John's Tuna Noodle Casserole, a rich homemade comfort food classic with creamy cheddar sauce, tender egg noodles, peas, and a golden crispy topping. No canned soup needed. This step-by-step video shows you exactly how to cook it from scratch and get it perfectly creamy and bubbly every time. In this video, you will learn how to make the homemade creamy sauce, al dente egg noodles, tender tuna and savory peas, cheddar and Parmigiano-Reggiano crispy breadcrumb topping, and bake to golden brown and delicious perfection. Okay, so we're going to need to chop up our onions, then grate some sharp cheddar cheese, then we're going to grate some Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. Okay, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to lightly butter a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. We're going to bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Okay, we're going to cook the egg noodles until just barely al dente, about 5 minutes. Now we're going to drain those well in a colander and set aside until needed. Okay, we're going to melt our butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Going to add our diced onions and cook, stirring 3 to 5 minutes until soft and translucent. Do not brown them. We're going to sprinkle the flour over the onions. Stir constantly and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to remove the raw flour taste. We're going to slowly whisk in the cold milk a little bit at a time, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. We're going to continue cooking and whisking until the sauce thickens and comes to a gentle simmer, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to season that up with some salt and black pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Stir that in. We're going to remove that from the heat and stir in the cheddar cheese until fully melted and smooth. And then we're going to stir in the tuna, very gently breaking it up with the spoon. Okay, now we're going to add our egg noodles, our frozen peas, and our Worcestershire sauce. Mix gently until everything is evenly coated in the sauce. We're going to transfer the mixture into the prepared baking dish and spread it out evenly. In a small bowl, we're going to combine our breadcrumbs, our Parmigiano-Reggiano, and some olive oil. We're going to mix until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Then we're going to sprinkle the breadcrumbs evenly over the top. We're going to bake that uncovered in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is golden brown and the casserole is bubbling around the edges. We're going to remove that from the oven and let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving it up. We're going to serve it hot as a comforting main dish. It pairs well with a simple green salad or steamed vegetables. So there you go. Tuna casserole. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.